Key points summarizing the comparison between electrical engineering and artificial intelligence from the Work What article. Electrical engineering focuses on electronics, electricity, electromagnetism, and involves designing electrical systems and devices. Artificial intelligence focuses on building machines and systems that mimic human intelligence, like computer vision, speech recognition, etc. Electrical engineering offers good salaries, average $90,000, global career opportunities, and prospects in diverse industries like power, telecom, manufacturing, etc. AI provides even higher average salaries, $125,000, has rising global demand, and advancement opportunities from data science to leadership roles. Electrical engineers can work on AI systems but need additional programming, math and analytics skills that AI-specific programs provide. AI leverages electrical engineering for building robotic systems but cannot fully replace it currently. The fields complement each other. Computer engineering is closely related to AI with overlapping courses, providing both software and hardware skills. AI engineering salaries range from $75,000 entry-level to over $200,000 for specialized roles, making it a lucrative career option. In summary, while electrical engineering offers stable engineering careers, AI provides opportunities to specialize in high-demand technologies and command even higher salaries on average. The two fields have synergies, but AI focuses more on algorithms, data analysis, and computing.